how you can add GIF in WhatsApp profile picture. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first step is open up your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, just go to the settings panel on the bottom right. Now after you're on settings, just tap on your profile on the top. And after you do so, you will see an edit option right below your profile picture. Tap on edit. After you tap on edit, you will get an option to use avatar or take a photo or choose a photo. Just choose a photo. Now make sure that you've already downloaded the GIF from the web. After you've done that, you can just select the GIF from your gallery and tap on choose. And you can just, make sure that it's on correct size and again confirm this. And after you've done that, you're good to go. So this is how you add a GIF in WhatsApp profile picture, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.